No. Now, I want you to see this bit here. Let's put some trainers on. See what I mean? I think they fit okay. They're not too bad. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. So you can kind of see here, you know, and us women get this from time to time. You can see here, I would love it to look like this. But actually, I think these fit quite okay. Oh, thank you for liking my live. If you just come in this far, pretty please follow me and like my live. Thank you. I think these are going to be okay, actually, because I have, if I did, you know, do a few sit-ups and that, I might be all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the other ones on now. We've got the purple ones here, so I'll just try them on. Thank you for joining. I'm just trying on all my clothes and bits and pieces, and I need you to help me to find out what I should and shouldn't throw away. But I think that this particular outfit actually quite goes. This is my gym outfit when I go down the gym. Thank you for coming in. It's lovely to have everybody. I want every single one of you to go to my profile photo on TikTok, look for the golden yellow star, press it and come through to my TikTok club. It's only £3 a month. Do that all right now. If I could get 500 of you into my special TikTok club, I would be so happy. Anyway, we're talking about these trousers. I think we can keep these. I think we're safe. I'm going to try these purple ones on now, which are pretty much the same. And thank you for following. These are a lot tighter. Jesus. Okay, I think these ones are probably gonna go. These are really tight. Woo! That's the hanger. These are really tight. These trousers. It's such a shame, isn't it? But this is life. You know, the older we get, thank you, I'm a plus size model. The older we get, the harder it is to lose the weight. I'm happy with my weight, but the clothes need to be happy on me. And if we don't get on, I'm staying, they're going. That's why you're here with me, to make me go, Kate, no, it looks lovely, but you need to go, because I'm not going to get any slimmer. So I think we can conclude, thank you for joining the club, I think that we can conclude that the pink ones are good, but I think the purple ones need to go. I think they're too small. Drink your water with me. Oh, Isra, you've just got here. I've literally just been in dresses the whole time. Sorry that you've missed it, but we will come across some more dresses. There's a few things. There's some like going out dresses and stuff that I just want to go through, and I just need to be harsh. I need to say, Kate, no, you're going to put that up for sale, or you're just going to like give it to charity or something. Let me just pick up my dress and the trousers that we just wore and hang them up. Thank you, Bob Downey, for my roses. That's lovely. Right. So that was it. We're going to keep the pink ones, but we're going to ditch the purple ones. So I'm going to get rid of these clothes. I'll either put them up for sale or see if I know any skinny girls. I don't have any tattoos. I've had no surgery, and I'm 100% real and crazy. I'm going to the gym. As long as it fits, mate. As long as it fits, and that's the plan. That's what we're going for. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna keep the pink. No, we're gonna get rid of the purple, and we're gonna keep the blue. It's a shame because these are so nice, but I'm just never gonna be that slim again. Oh, I was a very slim model. Yeah, I mean, I used to be a size 8. I'm now a size 18. But you get older, you have children, hormones run rife. I'm going through the postmenopause now. And you just get to a point where you go, you know what, I'm just going to embrace my curves. And I have. And I'm very pro-curve, pro-body positivity. So long as you're healthy with it. I drink lots of water. I eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. I have a great outlook on life. And it doesn't keep me slim. It keeps me curvy. Diet and gym tips. I don't really have any. Just keep drinking plenty of water, but don't flush out your salt. So make sure if you're drinking water and you're like, oh my God, I've got a headache or I don't feel right, you're probably flushing out all your salts. So a quick tip would be to just make sure that you're having the right amount of salt for your body weight as you are drinking water. I'm not slim. I'm a size 18 to 20 in the UK. Maybe I should put you up in this angle more often. Oh, I'm glad that you like my smile. Thank you. Pretty please do follow me here and like my live. That'd be amazing. Thank you, Lila, for my roses. They're lovely. 6 roses. That's very nice of you. Thank you very much. Right, so we're going to keep the blue ones. And we deduced that we liked this dress. If you're still in and you asked about the dresses, we had this one on earlier. It's really lovely. It was a really lovely dress. I'm going to hang that up. That can go in my dress wardrobe. I've got quite a few dresses to try on later. Some of them I wear when I'm going out, but again, I just need to. I don't really wear like bikinis and stuff. I wear like tankinis, swimsuits, but they have like little cute little waist skirts with them and stuff like that. Yeah, you wouldn't see me. No. And also, everyone does look. I've got that thing about me where wherever I walk, people just stare. I'm very bikini, just asking for trouble. Although I have shot many bikinis and I've travelled the world as a fashion model. But yeah, I wouldn't wear them now, not at my age. Okay, we've got some trousers. Some shorts, and they've still got the label on them, look. So I'm going to see, I mean, these look huge. I think they might even be too big. So I'm going to try these on and, stick around and wait for me to come out. And I'm even going to pop my heels on with this one because I think that when you're wearing something, you can come out and do a little bit of a catwalk, a little bit of a shimmy. Oh, thank you for little join the club. I just got that in time. Thank you very much, you little sweetheart. Right, let me take these off for a minute. Pop them over here, and I'm going to wear these shorts with this top. So hold on a sec. Right, we're going to keep these blue trousers, remember? That's why it's important to keep on top of yourself and organise it. Oh, these look massive. Never thought I'd say that. Bloody hell. Okay, count down. I'm coming through. And tell me if you like my shorts. You've got to let me know if you like my shorts, okay? I'm going to do a little catwalk. Just tucking it all in. Ready? Are you ready? If you've come this far, pretty please like my live, which you're doing, and I appreciate that. Follow the content creator at Kate Burlow here on TikTok, and also head over to my subscription here on TikTok, my TikTok club, only £3 a month. You'll find it in my profile photo, golden star. Are you ready for me to walk and do a catwalk show? Minus the label. I think this is very age appropriate. I think this is nice. And it's got pockets. You know I love pockets. Thank you for liking my live and coming on in. So we'll keep this one, yeah?